Hi, my name is Ramesh. I'm from Link Powder Coating, based in Sydney, Australia. We are here today at Blue Elephant to see if we can add some additional machinery to our fleet of machines. We have already purchased from Blue Elephant. We have already purchased a fiber laser machine. We've got a CNC machine. We've also got a laser welding machine from Blue Elephant in the last few years. And today we are here today to see if we can add an additional fiber laser marking machine to do the marking and advertising for us. So we are happy with the way the machine works. We are happy with all the other machines we have bought from Blue Elephant. They are working very well. Tina has been exceptionally helpful in getting us all the technical support and all the help along the ways to get these machines procured and shipped to Australia. The way the machines work is pretty good. The functionality is good. We are happy with the performance and all the support we have received so far from Blue Elephant. And so thank you, Tina, for helping us getting these machines sorted for us. Thank you very much.